Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Tristan here with us this evening, and Tristan is the center for Sam Houston's state football team, and he's training so he can get into the pros. And if you can look at him, you can tell he's definitely pro material. So we're going to treat him for a right sacroiliac problem that he's been experiencing because of being down that three-point stance all the time and taking off of it. And so we're going to check you out first here, Tristan. Let's flex you forward and backwards, please, sir. In neutral. This is where I get my workout, working on guys like Tristan. Okay. I got that old man strength, Tristan, that you get from working and doing this 35 years. Alright, so let's go ahead and lay you down here. And we're going to decompress you first. There, okay. Now let's slide down a little bit. There you go. Yeah, that should feel pretty tight in there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who do you think's going to win the Super Bowl, the Patriots or the Falcons?
After that performance by the Patriots, I don't know.
That was pretty good. I think the Patriots are going to take it.
Oh, yeah.
I think Brady wants that ring so bad.
Prove Goodell wrong this year.
Yep. That's true. There we go. Boy, you felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Good deal. Yeah, I think that was a big motivator for him, boy. He came back and he was good, had a chip on his shoulder. He was going to beat everybody. And he did. That's it. The Packers didn't have the defense to stop Atlanta, but I think the Patriots do. Yeah. Their corners are a lot better than the Packers' corners. And the Packers are my team. I was sad to see them lose, but they didn't play very well. Okay. Aaron Rodgers can't carry him every game. You gotta have defense show up every once in a while. Boy, we're not playing basketball tonight. Now see, his right leg's still coming up short by about 1/2 inch. And when I bring it up, it actually gets even, and that still tightens up in your low back, doesn't it, Tristan?
Yes, sir.
So, that tells me his right SI joint's still hung up in here. And I'm going to adjust that first. I'm going to adjust that superior to inferior at a 45-degree angle, exactly like the joint is aligned. There we go. And then the sacrum on the right side, because it's a little bit posterior. I did a sacral deviation test on him a little while ago, and it was deviated on the right. He had a hard time lifting his right leg up straight. There's L5. Now. Okay. Reset the table here a little. There's L4. L3, that one's probably a little sore. Okay. That's it. Yes, sir. Okay. That's all of them. Okay, let me just check this leg length again. Okay, you are exactly even now, Tristan. You tell me if this feels any easier to you than that last time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still pulled a little tight to me. I'm still, there we go. Yep. Okay, now you're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit next on this next one. Scoot down this way just a little bit, please, Tristan. There you go. There we go. There we go, good. Let's go on your back. Most people that have a heavy head, I say, oh, you must have a lot on your mind, but your head's just heavy. There we go. There we go. There. There. wearing those new helmets, the ones with the little pad up front?
They got us all that new equipment this past year.
There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way up into your SI joint. Whew. Good deal. There we go. Yeah, okay, let's see, get a place to work those things. That way. There you go. That's about all I can do to get my arms even around him to adjust his shoulders. There we go. They're moving pretty good though. He's not out that much. Okay. Good. There. Yes, sir. Okay, let's stand up here in front of the mirror. And let's have you flex your hip forward and then backwards. Oh yeah, that's better. Take a look. You're right down the middle right now. Let's pull these back, flare these guys here. And I'm going to bring that hip all the way back here like this. Got good flexibility. Yes, sir. Okay, now you can relax. And try that again, Tristan, see if this feels smoother. Good.
Like you greased it up.
Yes, sir. Put a little WD-40 in there. How's your SI joint feel right now?
It's relaxed completely.
Okay, good. So would you recommend that high school and collegiate athletes like yourself get
I've been trying
chiropractic
to get
care?
all my teammates up here to see you.
Okay. Well, thank you for sharing your
Yes, sir.
experience with everyone, and good luck getting into the pros.
Thank you
We're
very
going to help
much.
you every step of the way. If you're out there watching this as an agent, watch for Tristan. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of the Super Bowl 51. We'll see y'all soon.